Hey everyone! If you've been using CapCut lately, you've probably noticed that almost everything is locked behind a paywall. Yeah, it used to be free. Now most of the good features are pro, but don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful video editors that are completely free and can easily replace CapCut, depending on what kind of editing you need. And don't worry about searching. I've included download links for all of them in the description below. Let's get into it. First, DaVinci Resolve. This one's a beast. It's used by professionals for film and cinematic content. You get advanced color correction, audio editing, effects, all in one. But it's a bit heavy on your system. So if you're on a low-end PC, it might lag a bit. Second, Shotcut. This is an open-source editor with no watermarks. It supports tons of formats and has great filters and transitions. The interface can be a little overwhelming at first, but once you get used to it, it's solid. Third, OpenShot. If you're new to editing, this is probably the best one to start with. It's simple, drag and drop, and perfect for basic edits, text, and quick cuts. Super beginner-friendly. Fourth, Film Express. Want to add visual effects and cool transitions? This one's for you. It's loaded with features, including motion tracking and VFX tools. Some stuff is behind a sign-up, but most of it is still free, and definitely powerful. Last, VSDC Free Video Editor. It works offline, it's lightweight, and it runs smoothly even on older Windows PCs. The interface is a bit old school, but you get full non-linear editing and decent effects. So yeah, just because CapCut went pro doesn't mean your edits have to stop. These tools are free, powerful, and depending on your style, one of them might be even better than CapCut. Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.